Hello guys and welcome back. So today I'm bringing you the Radical Firearms RF-15. This is an AR-15, and if you didn't know, the AR-15 was originally designed in 1956 by Eugene Stoner at Armalite. It was later on taken by Colt in 1959, I believe, and from there it was used in the Vietnam War as the M16. Now today we have the Radical Firearms RF-15. Now if you don't know, the AR-15 was used in a lot of video games. I'll show you a couple of examples here. Now let's get right into it. Okay. Let's see. Take this.
Was it pretty accurate?
Let's see.
It looked like a bunch of it was hitting high.
I couldn't really see where the holes were going.
See them little bitty hoses? Little hoses.
It's big.
didn't even beat this. Didn't need to though, I wasn't too low.
Alright guys, so with the Radical Firearms RF-15, it's one of the cheapest AR-15s on the market. I actually really like it. It has this forward assist with your charging handle and your bolt release. And whenever you have your charging handle back, then you can actually press your bolt release here. It basically does this, I'll show you. It pushes the bolt forward, lets your whenever you insert a magazine with rounds in it, it'll go ahead and catch a round, push it in. Pretty simple system. It also has a safety feature here. And if you notice, we have our handguard here with the Picatinny rail and an M-lock system. Also on top of the firearm itself, you see that the Picatinny rail extends all along the top of it, and this is really nice. I have a sight here that I bought online. Really good system I've got going here. I've enjoyed it very much so far. I would give it like a 9 to 10 out of 10. I'm not really sure where I'd put this. I'd say 9 out of 10 to be safe. Now I'm gonna get Sam's reaction on this. So what do you like and not like about this firearm?
Well, one, it's cheap. Number two, it's pretty light, and it comes with a lot of room for putting accessories on in the future, such as if you want to put a PEC-15 on the Picatinny with the M-lock system, you can put a flashlight, whatever you want on it. And also on the bottom you can put hand guard or a forward grip or a hand stop, whatever you want. Or if you like those C-clamp, it works pretty well. Oh no, it's pretty good.
Alright, and what do you rate it out of 10?
I would give it a 9.7 out of 10.
Alright.